Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have a very interesting problem to address regarding a Dell laptop Inspiron 153521 model that's been giving its owner quite the headache. The issue involves a flickering monitor whenever the Dell touchpad is touched, only to magically disappear after a few repetitions. Quite a puzzling problem, isn't it? Now, let's delve into the solution for this intriguing problem. Windows, as we all know, loves to run a multitude of background processes, gobbling up resources at every turn. As newer versions are released, the demands on the CPU keep increasing, sometimes to the point where it struggles to keep up. One way to tackle this is by adjusting the refresh rate or lowering the resolution to ease the load on the system. Furthermore, another solution worth considering is exploring alternate operating systems like Linux. Unlike Windows, Linux tends to have fewer background processes and utilizes resources more efficiently. You could try booting and running a version of Linux, such as Ubuntu Live, from a USB to see if the flickering issue persists. Plus, with Windows 10 reaching end of life in 2025, experimenting with Linux might just be a good idea to avoid any post-YOLO security woes. In summary, we discussed a pesky flickering problem plaguing a Dell laptop Inspiron 153521 model, which seems to be triggered by the touchpad. The suggested solutions range from tweaking Windows settings to exploring alternative operating systems like Linux. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on this quirky issue. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy troubleshooting!